Good morning, students. I am Kesan sir from Dr. Bisan School, working as a mathematics teacher. Welcome to class 7. How are you all? I hope you're all fine. I hope you have been enjoying all these holidays safely at home. During these holidays, I have used my time for practicing Olympiad mathematics, and I learned some interesting technical knowledge through computer. This is my experience. I would like to know what you have done during these holidays. Students, please share with us what is your experience, what about your feel, everything to us. For that reason, you have to do one thing. You have to share your feel or your experience through voice message in WhatsApp to particular or concerned class teacher. And also, I hope something you have done interesting. Whatever it is, either image or video, please share with us again through WhatsApp. And one more. Now we have to discuss about 2020-21 academic year. As you know, you are not able to come to school in these days. So that reason, Dr. Besant, now we are going to start one learning program. This is Dr. Besant Distant Learning Program. Through this program, we are going to send some videos to you. Then what you have to do that? You have to watch all these videos very concentrately. Not only in this particular time, you can watch all these videos anytime. Why? Because it is completely depends on availability of your phones. Children, what is our objective? What is our motto? Student has to learn, student has to write, student has to read, student has to achieve. These are the main objectives. Please try to understand and utilize this time and do this. And previously, in holidays time also, you have done the homeworks very well. Like this, you have to continue. We will send you PDF file about homeworks. Same previously how you have done, like this also you have to continue the homework schedule also. Everything you have to share with us. Suppose particular subject, you have to send the particular teacher only. But about voice messages or videos, you have to send particular class teacher only. Students, I hope you're all ready. Yes, ready? Yes. Thank you. Thank you very much. All the best.